He is a working professional in India, a vegetarian, 180 centimeters tall, and started at 101 kg. Number 1, nutritional approach. After he failed with crash diets and keto attempts, we focused on enjoying every meal within his calorie limit. No more salads, just everyday foods. He started at 2050 calories with 135 grams of protein and gradually dropped it to 1700 calories over 20 weeks. Number 2, his training. He believed cardio was the solution to fat loss. We changed that perspective and focused on weight training with compound exercises along with cardio. And finally, number 3, managing travel. He traveled for work every week, making consistency challenging. The key? Don't aim for perfection. No gym, no problem. He worked out in his room, he made better food choices, he carried his protein bars, he carried his whey protein, and he opted for walking wherever he could. And over time, he lost over 15 kgs in a span of 5 months. Remember, it's about sustainable habits and not perfection.